Welcome back to my channel TechGetter Official. In today's video, we will learn how you can install the Google Play Store on your Windows 11 PC and run Android apps without using any emulator. So without any further delay, let's get started. First, click on the search bar and type Turn Windows Features on or off, then open it. Here, find Virtual Machine Platform and enable it. Click OK, and the installation process will start. Once it is completed, click on Restart. Now after restarting your PC, click on the search bar and open Settings. Again, click on the search bar, type Developer Settings, and press Enter. Scroll down and enable Developer Mode. If it asks for permission, click Yes. Now open your browser like Chrome and search for WSA Build. Open the GitHub page related to Windows Subsystem for Android builds. Scroll down and choose the version according to your system. If you are using Windows 11, select the Windows 11 build. Now scroll down to the Assets section and download the first zip file that includes Google Apps. While the file is downloading, open a new tab and search for WinRAR or any extraction tool. Download and install it. Once the WSA file is downloaded, go to your Downloads folder. Right-click on the zip file and click Extract here. After extraction, open the folder. Inside the folder, look for a file named Run. Right-click on it and select Run as administrator. Click Run if prompted. Now the installation process will start automatically. Just wait until it completes. You may see a window asking to continue. Simply click on Continue. After a few moments, Windows Subsystem for Android will be installed on your system. Now click on the search bar and type Play Store. And you will see that the Google Play Store is now installed on your PC. Open it, sign in with your Google account, and start installing your favorite Android apps directly on Windows 11. So this is how you can install the Google Play Store on Windows 11 easily without any emulator. That's it for this video. If this tutorial was helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to TechGetter Official.